This video is the operation of easy automatic hydraulic oil press developed by our company for cold pressing peeling walnuts. First, the walnut kernels are ground into pulp and finally ground again. Second, walnut pulp homogenization. It is fully automated. Third, the walnut pulp is fed through the pump and starts to filter out the oil. Low pressure pressing. Fast oil production. Medium pressure press continues to produce oil. Pressure holding and increase it with high pressure pressing. End of pressing. Rest and open the mold. At last, we can see walnut oil and walnut cake.